Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I am going to show you a quick and easy way to print multiple pages on a single sheet of paper in Microsoft Word. This is perfect for saving ink, reducing paper waste, or creating compact handouts. Let us dive right in. First, open your Microsoft Word document that contains the multiple pages you want to print. Once your document is ready, you need to open the print menu. You can do this by pressing the Control key and the letter P on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can move your mouse to the top left corner, click on File, and then select Print from the side menu. Now, take a look at the print settings on your screen. Scroll down to the very last option in the settings list. By default, it will say 1 page per sheet. Click on that drop-down menu. Here, you will see several options. You can choose to print 2, 4, 6, 8, or even 16 pages on a single piece of paper. For this example, let us select 4 pages per sheet. If you are ready to print to your physical printer, just go ahead and click the large print button at the top. If you want to save it as a digital file first to see how it looks, change your printer to Microsoft Print to PDF, then click Print, choose where to save the file on your computer, and click Save. When you open that PDF, you will see your 4 pages neatly arranged onto one single page. And that is it. It is that simple. If this quick tip helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straight-to-the-point tutorials.